Prime Minister Narendra Modi promises to crush the terrorists behind the Pahalgam massacre, the biggest attack on civilians on Indian soil since 26/11. In his first public meet after the terror attack, Prime Minister Modi began his rally in Madhubani in Bihar on Thursday by paying homage to the 26 people who died in the dastardly attack and observed a moment of silence. The Prime Minister vowed stern action against the perpetrators of the horrific terror attack.
अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है.
Modi asserted that the terrorists who carried out the attack and brains behind it will be punished beyond their imagination.
जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी.
Prime Minister Modi also issued a stern warning to the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack, declaring that India will relentlessly pursue every terrorist and their backers.
22 अप्रैल को जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकियों ने मासूम देशवासियों को जिस बेरहमी से मारा है, उससे पूरा देश व्यथित है. कोटि कोटि देशवासी दुखी हैं. सभी पीड़ित परिवारों के इस दुख में पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है.
While addressing the public meeting, Prime Minister Modi switched to English and sent a message to the global community.
I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times. From the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. Terrorism will not go unpunished.
आतंकवादी कान खोल के सुन ले, यह देश इस बात को कभी भूलने वाला नहीं है. पाकिस्तान के हुक्मरान सुन ले, हमारे 18 जवानों का बलिदान बेकार नहीं जाएगा.
आखिर पाकिस्तान बालाकोट की घटना, उसके बाद भी उसके तो अभी भी उनके एयर स्पेस शायद अब खोलना शुरू किया है. 1.5 महीना हो गया.
The Resistance Front, an alleged front of the Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba, has claimed responsibility for the Pahalgam terror attack. India has already announced a series of diplomatic measures aimed at Pakistan, including the suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty.
It is only a matter of time that India hits back, as it did after Uri and Pulwama.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.